Hello. So this morning I got suspended from one of my Etsy accounts. It was a digital print, self-made designs that I did, and they suspended it under fraudulent activity. I don't even know what that is. Like, I was not doing any of that. So I'm a bit pissed this morning. Don't know what to do with myself. Why they denied my appeal. I'm so sad. I've been working so hard for like the past few weeks to figure all this out so it was successful, and then when it starts getting good, it's gone. I've emailed support and they're like, no, you can't have it back. And then that means that I can't create any more accounts. I can't use the accounts that I've got because they might even get suspended now, and I have that handmade one with patterns on it, my crochet. So now I have to make a new, I have to make Ribbler, Ravelry, Ko-fi, maybe my own website. But getting traffic to those is so much harder than Etsy. So if you have any idea, any help, any tips, I would love to know them, because I don't trust Etsy anymore. I may have given up with it. I hate this. Why do they have to do such crappy shit? They are very much known for suspending accounts for absolutely no reason, and I think that might be potentially it. So that's fun. We love that. But anyway, besides the depressing stories, I'm going to be working on my boyfriend's jumper today. This is all I have, and it's been like this for a week now because I've been working and trying to finish my blouse, my lotus blouse. It's taken so much longer than I wanted it to, but I love it, and it's so stretchy. So oh no, I just undone my stitches. Oopsies. Okay, I saved it. I forgot what I was doing now. Boyfriend's jumper, that's what I'm going to do today. I also have a tester pattern. I still need to go get yarn, which reminds me. I'm going to get yarn, and I'm going to go grab my laundry and get a coffee. And I'll take you with me. Thank you. Demolished. So I was gonna do like a project video, but now I think I've decided I'm gonna do a day in my life. I have a few things I gotta do today, so I'll take you along with me, and that'll be it. In Mexico, in the mountains. And the sun's coming out, so I want to be outside. Maybe I'll take a project out there. We'll see. Let's go. Just got back. Made myself English breakfast tea, which I've been looking for since I've got here, and I've only just found it. And This is the only thing that I got from the yarn store because I don't want to get too much right now. I can't find a 7mm hook anywhere, but this is what I got for the pattern I'm testing, which I'm gonna do its own video, I think. But this is 100% cotton, and it feels quite soft actually. Exciting. But I need to go on another search tomorrow and find that hook before I can even start it. So I think right now I'm gonna finish the sleeve on this. I'm almost done. And then maybe an extra inch on here on the bottom. And then I'll start on my boyfriend's jumper. So I'm just gonna enjoy my tea, knit, and ignore the world, I think, because I'm not in a good mood today since my Etsy got shut down. I've only just got back my crochet account, which they suspended for 3 weeks. They gave it back because they were like, oh, my mistake, my mistake. Yes, your mistake. I haven't sold any patterns for that long, which makes me so sad. But it just reminds me that I have to post the pattern for the sunrise skirt that I made, which I think I'll start that tonight, I think. I have pictures and everything of the process. And that's it. That's all I got. So much to do, so little time. Actually, I have a lot of time. I don't do much here. But here we are, enjoying life. You know what I was thinking? I never thought that I would ever do YouTube in this way. I never even thought that I would have a hobby so addictive that I would turn it into a job. Like, what the hell? I find that being on your own and having no friends it makes it a lot easier to talk to a camera and post on YouTube. It feels a bit embarrassing though, really. But I guess I'll get over that over time and hopefully turn it into a full-time gig, but we'll see how it goes. I'm a bit scared. It's not Yorkshire tea, but it'll do.
Grind us down over time.
I have finished both sleeves.
I feel like I'm living in my own fairy tale.
Wow.
You literally jumped out
Now I'm
of the plane
gonna
for me, and you're afraid of heights.
use those needles that I just had. Put this one.
For that, for always making sure I know that you have my back.
Swap needles.
With that, I promise to love you.
And commit to face life together as husband and wife, or will you walk away forever?
Luckily, all my stitches fit on 40cm circular needles. I did not have bigger ones, so thank God. I've decided I'm gonna make the length the same as the pattern. I think just in case I hate the length that I decide to do myself. So I still have a while to go. It might take longer than I want it to once again, but it'll look nice at the end. We'll get there.
Family and friends, thank you all for coming today to share this wonderful occasion. Today we're here together.
Okay, so this bit needs to be 32 centimeters long from the armpit, and I've got 18 centimeters, so it's definitely going to take me a lot longer than usual. But I'll come back to you when it's done. I have a spider issue, so I had to move to my bed. I accidentally flicked a spider onto the sofa whilst I was closing the curtains, and it's one of those jumping ones, so I'm afraid for my life.
Different cookie, man.
I actually saw it and I was so confused. I was like, are you saying that somebody's stabbing you?
You didn't say anything. You didn't even ask me about it.
I was with the kids and I don't know, I was distracted. And I was trying to decode what,
Maybe you just trusted that I knew what I was doing.
yeah, I don't know. And I was like, I don't understand it.
You know, anyway, and imagine reading like some serious ass Israel, and then, anti-Semitism kind of talk, and then this.
I'm on a mission. I'm not going to sleep until I've finished at this I-cord cast off. I have done the length that I like. The sleeves are done. It does need blocking, but I'm gonna show you what that looks like tomorrow morning with better lighting. And until then, peace out. See you in the morning. So last night I went to bed thinking I finished the blouse, but I woke up this morning and I was like, neckline. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm picking up the stitches around the neckline, and then I'm going to do the I-cord cast off, and then we're done. I've also asked my apartment host if they have a steamer because I don't know how else to block it. So hopefully by the end of the day I can wear this, and then I can start my boyfriend's jumper, because apparently that was what I was supposed to do, but I didn't. Good job. But I'm so excited to almost finish this project. It's been going on for way too long. I should have finished it a long time ago, but it's good. We got it. So that's what I'll be doing this morning. Maybe I'll go to the thrift store because it's such a nice day out. Have a look. Have a look. Clear. Beautiful. There she is. All done. I've weaved in all my ends, which was a nasty job. But now I gotta wait for the steamer or the iron. I don't know which she's bringing. But in the meantime, I'm gonna have breakfast, head down to the yarn store and get 6mm needle, circular needles, and a 7mm crochet hook for future plans. BRB. So this is what it looks like before. It's a bit tight on honestly. It was a struggle to get this over my head. So I might have to undo that and do it a bit looser. But we'll see. I'm gonna steam it first whenever she arrives. I'm scared. This looks terrible. Wish me luck. I'm undoing it right now because look how red my head is. I had to pull it off so hard. Even with its fullest stretch, there's no way. I can't be having that. Much better. I think I might just leave it just in case. I don't really want to risk it being too tight again. You can't really tell anyway. Kinda hate it now. I was looking for this lady yesterday who has like a little yarn store on my street and I couldn't find it anywhere. I walked up and down and it's kind of hidden, so it's quite hard to find, but it's not that hard. She's on one street. Maybe she wasn't open, but she's usually open. She's not on Google Maps or nothing, so I'm gonna go on a hunt because she has the cheapest needles around. Wish me luck. Once again, I'll take you with me. I'm so confused, I can't find her anywhere. She's disappeared. Why? I failed miserably. I can't find that woman anywhere. I don't know what's happened, if I'm losing my mind, if I imagined it. I don't know, but I didn't get anything I wanted. Besides eggs. I don't know what to do. I'm so confused. I just want needles. Guys, I did it. I steamed it. And it's so much nicer. The length, I don't know. I think I like it like this. But I'm so happy. Let me know what you think, and if you want to make your own, I'll link the pattern in the description. It's free on Hobbycrafts. Hobbycrafts or just hobby.com? Hobby patterns. I don't know. But it's cute. Yay! Thanks for watching.